Hello everybody, this is Zahid again. So we will see this website today and I'll share some features but I will be able to see through it. Let's go. The website name is Pinnacle and what is about it? Redefine your limits with elite performance coaching. So it's like a coaching website. Okay, let's go forward. Sustain high performance, upgrade your life. Okay, horizontal scrolling, good. These are some testimonials I see. The design is good, not bad at all. Then improve your focus level, stress resilience. Oh, the wordings are nice. Energy level, anxiety resilience, confidence level, composure level. Okay, step 2, step 3. First step is set your goal with your Pinnacle, train towards goal with science, check in with your Pinnacle coach, monitor your improvement, achieve your goal, then set new goals. Okay, cool. A tailored training program from your Pinnacle coach. So this is the app, I believe. It's showing the improvement features in the app. Okay, practice boost your mental performance. Breathing, it's breathing exercise I think. Okay, this is HRV measure. Place your finger gently onto your lens. Is it really gonna measure it? I'm not sure about that. It's voice notes, stress resilience improvement. It's a nice feature I think. Actions, every take short walk and also these are the steps in the process. Achieve your goals, discover your pinnacle. So it's very neat and clean looking. 30 minutes weekly coach calls, 30% average HRV improvements, average weekly 60 minutes, good. Powerful metric tracking, goal timer. Okay, how it works: find your coach, choose a slot for you, weekly call, start your journey. Limited promo, try for 49 in the first month, 199 per month after, cancel anytime. Okay, so it is a nice, clean, to the point city button, and this parallax animation I like it. Parallax is always a fun. Let's see it again. Oh, nice and clean. Okay, so this is what I can see. This is a landing page for a coaching app that is named Pinnacle. The landing page is fine from my end, I see. What is request invite. Okay, from here anyone can request and join the white list, I believe. Okay, it's a nice one. So I believe this is a good design from my perspective as a UI UX designer. Nice, clean, to the point, clearing steps, instruction, a preview of the app functions, the steps, features, some statistics, some other features in the app, how it's gonna work, and lastly lovely parallax. Okay, this is a quick view from this website, and we will again share some other designs and give our own perspectives on those two. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.